Hi everybody, welcome back. As you can see by the bench, I haven't made much progress in the past week on the Dodge Dart build, but we did get a package in the mail all the way from Japan. Just let me turn this around here and get this out of the bag. So, my egg plane space shuttle with Astronaut has arrived, and the box was not sealed, so I opened it up and it was wrapped in this tire flyer from Japan. Thought that was kind of interesting. Look at the price of tires there. There's one there, 27,800 yen. And this is what's in the box. You can build the shuttle as a Discovery, the Atlantis, or the Columbia. Gives you the decals for those. This around. There's some more decals here. And there's one bag of sprue, molded in black and white. Not too many pieces because again it is the egg plane style. There's an astronaut right in here. And I imagine this is what I'll be building for the egg plane group build next April 2019. So that's, I guess, about it for now. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for further updates.